everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can make some little boho macrame earrings. Let's get started. Go ahead and tie 6 ropes about 14 inches long. And I am using 2mm single twisted cotton rope for this project. You are also going to need to use some kind of earring hardware. I will link this exact one that I am using in the description below. And lastly, you're just going to need some kind of comb to comb out our fringe at the end of the project if you would like. Our first step is to just secure our little hardware to a surface. I'm using some corkboard and some little pins to secure mine down. Now we're going to take our pieces of rope and fold them evenly in half, and we're going to attach it to our earring using a lark's head knot. So with that folded in half, just send it over your hardware. Then it comes around so you have this nice loop right behind, and send the 2 remaining ends through that loop. Give it a nice gentle tug to tighten that into place. And just repeat this with all your ropes. Once you have all 6 ropes attached, we're going to go ahead and leave the 2 sections of 2 on the 2 ends off to the side. Now we're going to take the next 4 ropes here on the left and tie 1 square knot. To make a square knot, I'm going to take the side here on the far right and cross it over the 2 ropes in the middle. Then I'm going to take the string on the left to cross over the right string, send it behind the 2 in the middle, and go up through the loop. And then I just give that a nice gentle tug to tighten. Now I'm going to take the side on the left to cross over the 2 ropes in the middle. The rope on the right then goes over that left one, behind the 2 in the middle, and up through the loop. And I just pull that tight. And that is my square knot. Now I'm going to make another square knot with these next 4 ropes. Now we're going to make a square knot between the 2 we just made by using the 4 ropes closest together. Like that. Now we're going to begin tying double half hitch knots following our little line of square knots. To do this, I'm going to separate my ropes into 2 groupings of 6, and I'm going to start with the group here on the left. I'm going to take the string on the far left, and this rope is going to act as my leading rope, which means it's going to point in the direction I want it to go, and all these other ropes here are going to get tied around this leading rope. I'm going to take that very first rope, and it's going to start by coming right up behind. I'm going to cross it over the leading rope so I form a loop. It just twists around and it goes through that loop, and then I pull it tight. Then I take that same rope, cross it in front of my leading rope to form the loop. It twists around and goes through that loop, and I pull it tight. Now I'm going to move on to the next rope. It comes right up behind to form a loop. I twist it around to go through the loop, and I pull it tight. Now it comes right up in front to form a loop. I twist it around to go through that loop, and I pull it tight. And I just keep repeating this until I have made a total of 5 double half hitch knots. Now I'm going to leave off these 6 ropes that we were just working with, and I'm going to repeat the same steps coming in from the right. So I take that right rope, point it in the direction I want it to go, and begin tying 5 double half hitch knots. So that first rope comes right from behind to cross over to form a loop. I twist it around to go through the loop, and I pull it tight. Then I'm going to send that rope in front of that leading rope, twist it around to go through the loop, and pull it tight. And I just repeat. Now I'm going to take those 2 ropes that were my 2 leading ropes, and I'm just going to connect them with another double half hitch knot. Just like that. And now it is time to finish my earring by cutting the remaining ropes to the desired length and brushing out any fringe I would like. And there you go. This is the finished result to the earring. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.